Welcome to another unboxing. We have 2 Godzilla boxes by Kidrobot to open. These are out here now, with 13 to collect. There are 3 3-in-24s, 6 2-in-24s, 2 1-in-24s, and 2 mysteries, which are likely 1-in-48s. But onto box 1. It's Godzilla 2000. Godzilla! And box 2. It's Mothra Larvae. So although Godzilla through the years heavy, this series had so much potential. And as a Godzilla fan, I find the cutesy aesthetic and sometimes overly subtle differences make this series tame and underwhelming, considering the possibilities of sculpts. In saying that, the quality is excellent and the minor articulation fun, but even Funko released a more impressive rendition of this monstrous and longest running film franchise icon. But for now, that's all we have time for.
Godzilla, king of the monsters, alive, surging up from the depths of the sea on a tidal wave of terror to wreak vengeance on mankind.
Godzilla, king of the monsters, it's alive!
A gigantic beast,
Stalking the earth, crushing all before it.
in a cyclonic cavalcade of electrifying horror.